Hello everyone and welcome to my channel The Baker's Table. So today we are making the most awaited cake and which was most requested also. So today in this video I'll be showing you how to make the galaxy cake or the surprise cake, which is called, or it is also sometimes called as a piñata cake. So I'll be demonstrating you how to do make that cake without using any expensive molds. We will be doing this with whatever we have or already have at our home. So let's get started, and this is the cake which we will be demonstrating you today. So let's start. So as you can see, I have put a drop of oil here, and I'll be putting that oil nicely everywhere. Okay, we don't want this much oil, so we wipe it off. Okay, because we don't want oil to be part of this. We just want the shell to come out easily. So instead of spending so much on your expensive mold for your galaxy globe cake or your circle cakes, you can use the tins which you already have at your home for making the chocolate thing. So I have melted my chocolate here. I'm using compound. Compound will work better. I'm adding light blue color into this. 4 drops I have added. I don't want it to be dark. Just a light blue color we need. Always add your colors little by little. You can anytime add more the color you want, but you cannot reduce it. So it's better to add color, especially drop by drop. Okay, so this is our melted chocolate ready. I will pour this. Okay, I've taken so much, and I will just go slowly. I will turn my bowl, which should cover the area with chocolate. Make sure you're cleaning the sides, and I'll keep this in the fridge for 15 minutes. Just spreading it all over.
Just tell us if you are having fun.
So I'll put this in the fridge for 10 minutes and then we will go with the second layer.
You okay? Pause it,
Close it, baby.
Welcome to the Baker's Table channel.
So now I have frozen this, and I will just push it from one side, and it should be able to come out.
And this is melted chocolate dish.
So it's come out.
So
See?
oh, it's like a glitch.
Okay, so there is one crack here because I pressed it too hard. So what I'll do is I'll put this again inside, and I'll put some more chocolate where I can see the crack. So here is the crack, so I'm putting more chocolate. So this is our chocolate ball. Half is ready, so this will be the top.
Yes.
And we will make another for the bottom part. So now our chocolate ball is ready, to which I am applying my pearl dust using some glitter also. So this is glitter. as you can see, I have made this thick. So this will be going in the bottom, and there is an extra chocolate at the base, so that the base is strong, and this is at least 4 to 5 layers of the chocolate, which is very thick. So I have prepared this also. So this is the cake which we have baked in the same tin which we have used to make our chocolate molds. So I'll slice this cake now. Put a little bit of melted chocolate here, on which I will be holding my top mold. Adding the layer. So this being a surprise cake, so I will have to put some surprise into this. So surprise can be your fruits, your gifts, your wedding ring, or your toys. So we are making a toy cake, so I'll be putting some toys into this. So either you can cover this gap with the melted chocolate and you can seal this, but it should be easier to lift it. If you are going to break, it's generally broken. So what we do is we hit the outer shell, the top shell with a hammer, and it's broken. But if you don't want to do that, you can lift it easily. So I'm not going to stick this portion. I'm going to leave it as it is, and we will be covering with a ribbon so that while cutting you can lift this portion. I have made my knife hot just to make a hole. Hot knife into which I am inserting my birthday topper. So this is your galaxy globe cake, or the surprise cake is ready. So abhi we have filled this. I have shown this already how to fill this cake like this. Then what we are doing is we are making it now upside down. Okay, and here, which I had stuck to my board while filling, I'll be putting my fish. This is your dome cake, which you can make with a similar technique. You can use your chocolate shell with your normal equipments what you have at home, and you can make this dome cake as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have liked the techniques which I have shared with you. If you want to join any classes for basic cakes, sponge cakes, cream cakes, fondant cakes, and your wedding cakes, all the courses are available online on my Facebook page. I will share the link in my description box, so whoever is interested for any of the classes I mentioned can contact me through my Facebook page. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.